Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be diving into Rimmel London. I don't know about y'all, but I haven't heard anything from them, any reviews or just nothing. It's been like crickets for them for several years. I used to love them back in the day, like when I first started my YouTube channel, and I'm like, okay, well, I just tried the Stay Matte Powder a couple videos back and I still liked it. So let me go grab a few things from Walmart, see if they're still good, and if they are, we need to shout it to the world because these things are only like $5 to $7. So you can't beat that for affordable makeup. I don't know if they sell Rimmel London anywhere but Walmart and maybe like a drugstore. They're definitely not in Ulta, so just something to note. And I don't know about y'all's Walmart, but mine sucks because these products were so picked over. I don't know how often they restock them, how old these things are. So I'm just gonna go ahead and prime my face with some e.l.f. Jelly Pop Dew Primer. Now they had a Stay Matte primer that I used to use back in the day as well, but I just decided not to get it this time because I don't know, I don't like, primers don't speak to me, you know? I love face products, but primers, I'm like, they're okay, I guess. Rimmel Stay Matte Foundation. I have even done a review on this thing back in the day, okay? I think the packaging has changed. Lightweight mousse, flawless finish, full coverage, mattifying foundation. This is in the shade 200 Soft Beige. We're going to hope and pray that the shade matches. Why am I scared? It's just foundation. Okay, I'm just gonna put it on my face. Like, I don't know. Is that enough? I don't know. I'm going in with a sponge. Just gonna go in. Why am I nervous? I'm so weird. It's not like it's the first time I'm trying foundation. Wow. It's very flawless. That little bit did not, a little bit does not go a long way with this foundation. I am pretty impressed right off the bat. Pretty impressed. I do wish that it covered a little bit more, like surface area. Let me just put it on the sponge just a little bit because I want to do like one side of my face so we can see a comparison. The shade match is okay. It's a little bit lighter. I feel like I need a lot of product though. What do you think? This side's without, this side is with. This side is definitely matte, which I'm not used to. I haven't used like a general matte foundation in forever, but I do think that it's pretty full coverage. It blends really nice. It just doesn't cover a lot of surface area on your face. Let me do the rest of my face and y'all can watch and see. I'm just gonna put like more. Clearly I have more to cover on this side, so that'll be like a good indicator of the coverage itself. Let's see if that actually does a little bit better. I'm still not getting a lot of surface area coverage. I don't know how else to describe it. I'm just gonna go in with some more. I put it right on my sponge. This does feel very drying. Do you see how it's looking on my nose? I don't like this foundation. I don't like it. It looks bad on my nose. I'm already getting smile line creases. Do you see that? Usually I don't get smile line creases until like several hours worth of wear on a set foundation. This is just regular, like that shouldn't be happening, you know? I mean, look how bad my nose looks. Not a winner for me, but we're gonna keep moving on and hoping that this next product kind of saves it. This is the Multitasker Concealer by Rimmel London. It looks like this. I have never seen this before. It's not the Stay Matte line. This is in the shade 030 Light. Again, it was hard to find one that wasn't open, tinkered with. Let's hope that this product will maybe help us not be so dry. Now the applicator reminds me of the like Tarte, whatever that is, the Tarte. It's very creamy. I'm gonna put a lot on because I want to. Okay, so let's just go ahead and blend this out with the sponge. What I'm looking for in concealer is something that brightens but also has good coverage to it. Definitely brightened. I am happy about that. I don't see that it really gave me too much coverage. Like, I can still see some like darkness right here, so I'm gonna see if I can build it up, maybe just like right in here. See if I can just like concentrate it right here. I think that helped a little bit. I still see a little bit of darkness, but it's definitely better than this side. You can definitely tell a difference. So let's just go ahead with the other side, and then I'm gonna put some up here on my nose. Let's just see how it reacts with the foundation. Concealer is on from far away. I think it looks okay, but up close, y'all, it doesn't look great on my nose. It looks cakey. It doesn't look, it looks like it's just sitting on my skin. You can see my pores right there, already settling into my smile lines. Everything is cracking right here. I'm sorry, I don't like it. Ugh. But I'm gonna keep going because we're not a quitter and we're gonna accomplish what we came here to do today, okay? So we're going to we're gonna keep going. Now I'm gonna set my face. I really don't want to because I feel like the last thing my face needs is like more heavy product. But I do know that I like this powder. So we're gonna use this Rimmel Stay Matte Powder. This is in the shade 011 Creamy Natural. I'm just going to take a powder brush and just dust it all over my face and hope for the best here. I do think this powder makes me very pink, so I need to drag it down my neck a little bit more than I normally would. I am feeling so freaking dry right now. I feel like my skin is just like a mask and it could peel off at any moment. My face does not look good. I'm not happy. This will just be a PSA for if you have dry skin or it's the winter time. Avoid. The next product I'm using, I keep saying product. The next product I'm gonna be using is this natural bronzer in the shade 022 Sun Bronze. The two things that I'm hoping does not happen, one is that it's too orange or red, and two, that it doesn't take off the foundation underneath. So I'm gonna start at my forehead because that's a safer option. So far so good. Let's see. I'm just gonna dab it. And then swirl. I see no issues from far away. I feel like this is definitely a good like summer bronzer. I like this bronzer. I don't think there's any issue with it. I would totally use it again with some of my favorite makeup. But yeah, so far these two powder products, not bad. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the rest of my face and then we'll come back and go in with the final product, which is a lip product. Face is on, lips are lined. Let's go with the last product. This is the Provocalips 16-Hour Kiss Proof Lip Color in the shade 215 Summer Lovin'. It's like this. It's a two-parter. It says step one is this side. I'm assuming from what it looks like that this is supposed to be reminiscent or very similar to the Maybelline vinyl, Superstay Vinyl Ink. This is like a lip gloss that stays for a very long time. And so I'm assuming this is kind of like it. So let's see. Okay, beautiful color. Love. I remember trying these back in the day too. Step one is on. So far so good. Color is beautiful. It feels like a liquid lipstick, and I'm assuming if you don't want to put the gloss over it, you can just go with this color. Okay, step two, it says Lock and Shine, and it's this side. Okay, to me it kind of like mattified it a little bit. Do you see this? It's like extra. I don't think that's my lip. Could be. No, it was definitely just like goops of product. Yeah, there's just like goops of product coming off. Not a fan. The color itself is really, really pretty. The gloss is really nice. Now I did put a good bit of highlighter on my face because I did feel just so dry. My skin still feels very dry, but I feel like the highlighter kind of helped it a little bit. Now far away, I think my skin looks really good. I think it looks very full coverage. I don't have any complaints far away, but up close. My nose looks so bad. It's not the worst that I've ever had it, but it does not look good. I'm already getting a crease right here. I don't know if y'all can see that. I'm sure I'll get it in the rest of my forehead lines. My nose, it just doesn't look good at all. You could see my pores still right here. They're like more emphasized than normal. My smile lines, we already talked about those. I'm getting creasing like right here, as you can see. But on the ends where it was before, I don't have that. So at least we're not getting creasing everywhere. Yeah, you can see when I like drag it down, like it's literal creasing. Extra like flaky products in my lips. Overall, I think that if you had oily skin, I would give the Stay Matte foundation a try. The concealer creases, it gives a little bit of coverage, not too great. Not sure I would give that one a try. These two powders are good. Are they great? Are they life-changing? No. But for however much they are, $3, $4, if you're on a budget, I would definitely recommend these. And the lip product is okay. Like I said, I can feel like little bits of things, and you saw them come off when I put it on. I have better lip products than that one, but overall I can't really complain because these products were not very expensive, but I'm just not as impressed with the brand like I was back in the day. And maybe it's because I have more mature skin now. You don't know until you try it again, right? Right? If you have some products from if you have some products from Rimmel that you really like, let me know, because I am still open to the brand. I love trying makeup. I love trying new things or old new things. And yeah, just let me know because I'll go get them. And with that, I will see y'all in my next video. Bye!